Hello everybody, welcome to a new video by Reviews on Anything. My name is Peter and today we're having a look at a pan from a company called Sternsteiger that you might remember from some knife videos we did in the past. Big feature here right away is that it has a removable handle, which might seem odd, but this is a pan that you can also put in the oven, so that makes sense in that way. You can actually make the footprint a lot smaller, which also makes the packaging smaller when it is shipped to you, and it also makes it easier to store. And as you can see, the handle just clicks on like that, so that makes it nice and easy. The handle is a cool grip handle, and the pan itself in this 28 centimeter form is made out of a special material made together with one of the Swiss partners of Sternsteiger, which is a 5-layer PTFE, which sounds very fancy, but it basically means that it doesn't stick at all. The rest of the pan is made out of some aluminium layers, and it altogether makes for a very non-stick surface, as I'll show you a bit later in the video. The pan itself is not too deep. It is rather shallow, but not too high sides, so that makes it really easy to get a spatula in and out. Compared to this pan, which is also a 28 centimeter one that has straight up edges, it can be very hard to get to the sides of the pan with a spatula, even a flexible one. But they are the same size and the same footprint, as you can see. And that's actually a nice comparison with the handle right away. You can see how big a pan is when you cannot remove the handle. Now this pan is your all-round, all-purpose pan, so you can do anything from fry an egg, as I'll show you now, to fry potatoes, really do anything you want with it, but also oven dishes, like I said before. Now this is a bit of a demonstration of the non-stick in action, because I can obviously tell you that it doesn't stick, but it is better to show. I'm putting some bacon and some eggs here in the pan, and I'm not using any oil. Not necessary, even if you like the taste of oil, if you like it for the texture of your food, that's fine of course, but it's not strictly necessary when you're doing something simple like this, frying an egg with some bacon. And as you can see, as I speed things up, is that it doesn't stick to the pan at all, even without any oil. I'll do a torture test in another video where I try to destroy the pan, which I'll link below. But for now, it suffices to say that this is an excellent all-round pan that is pretty much indestructible and will serve all your kitchen needs very well, regardless if you're frying, cooking, or baking. This was Peter. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers!